Known more as comedians than as legendary hunters. Means guaranteeing their safety 24/7, even with those 9 lives.
No bite.
Want me to throw it?
Dude. What?
Poor Uncle Petey. Schmo, stop eating Uncle Petey.
Where is it? Where's that? Find him.
Messing with tails, but having your own tail messed with brings joy too.
Слышите? Нянь.
You're insane.
Exactly as clean as your reputation suggests. So feline world is also divided.
Oh my god, Milo.
Guess who's completely mortified after doing something incredible?
Keep him off.
Anyone who gets this gift will surely be happy all day long.
Cartwheels.
So buddies with 9 lives can live with this.
Oh my god.
Can't even.
Oh.
Oh no, this might be why older siblings tend to have insomnia.
Anytime, anywhere. Spending your whole day just doing this, and that's exactly why you're this chunky, mate.
You are such a dork.
Out of her throat, and we're not even done.
All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth brain.
The veteran bullying the newbie here. It doesn't look good at all, buddy.
Move! Your tushy ain't royal. Hey, stop! No shame, huh?
I thought it was roast turkey, but it turned out to be a stuck chunky cat.
While the game is billiards, this kitty learns the rules of the ball catching game.
Give a cat something that moves to sit with.
Just do.
Hey!
You know how to knock him out effortlessly. Unless you want to provoke these guys and their massive egos.
Cow.
When your work is so dull that even the cat thinks it's nap time on the keyboard.
Callie! Callie.
Reload.
You? Or was it you?
Let me see.
Were these double?
Oh no, poor guy. Trips over a piece of paper. Hated.
What is your problem? Sure. Ah! What is your
Oh, sorry. Look at her face. Oh no, she's jumping.
Place of chiefs. There will come a time.
Hey human, take some responsibility for this kiddo.
Hey! Hey! Daisy!
Niye tıslıyorsun ya? Bana niye tıslıyorsun?
A secret agreement on their daily mischief KPI or something.
Did you get the frisbee stuck on?
Epic hunting mission, but end up this clueless.
What? They said this trick helps lose weight without exercise.
Oh!
His calm face shows who's the clear winner of this battle. This is mine. Don't.
You want your ball?
Little furball trying to become a snowball.
Are you happy?
Come on, Jeff. Come on, big jump. Come on. Oh, no. Come on. Come on, no.
What are you looking at? I'm sleeping like this because I feel safe. Buddy.
Millet. Millet.
He caught it, that's why!
Go potty? Is it cold out there? You wanna go outside? Let's go to the bathroom. Come on.
Oh my gosh. He's actually stalking him.
And good girl. Down. 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 Good girl. Stand.
Not bad.
Fragile heart with big leg.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon.
What are you doing? Or it looks like he's dead.
I'm blown away by you, Willa.
Oh. wanna kill my mom! I wanna kill my dad!
Over here now. That's gonna cut you.
Leave it.
Ruin my life. Stanley, no. Come here.
No.
These buddies surely helped you relieve some stress, right? Don't miss the next video.
The cards will tell. The past, the present.
What? Okay, what?
You don't know? You're just gonna keep yelling at me?
Kağıt. Nereden alışacağını bile biliyor.
What happened? Did you get under the blanket? Hi.
What's that? What's that?
It's been broken too many times. I don't know what to believe. Because that
Father, help!
Inte kliva på katten. Du. Lilla vän. Du kan inte sätta dig på katt.
Leave them. Leave them. No.
Jump!
If you didn't hype yourself up so much from beginning,
It's basically a furry transformer.
Primrose. Prim. Prim, 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 prim.
my gosh, I just remembered something. I love you.
Hey, what's up, human? Gosh, you're embarrassing the entire cat species, mate.
The screen.
Lie down. Lie down. Stay.
Mr. Bates, what did...
Guys, it's so disconcerting sometimes.
The way, they still know how to train and show off their flexible neck.
Her tail is just really cool.
Okay, don't eat her.
Introverts protect their energy when they see strangers.
Yeah. Mundur. Tutukan tanganmu kuwi.
Activity for sure.
It's not supposed to be. It's not a challenge.
Are you dreaming?
That us.
Ball is coming from there.
Stanley!
Let me assess the situation. Oh, no real danger. Handle it yourself. Bye.
Good boy! Oh, buddy!
funny with that, puppies.
What was it you?
Ik ga wijn schenken. Ik ben het helemaal zat. Kom maar.
Mama, no ma'am. Drop it. Mama. Mama.
Found a stick.
Uh-oh. No, sir.
Okay.
And you're
Oh my god.
When life feels weirdly exciting. This orange cat should probably appreciate his buddy who cares about his picky diet.
Keeping your balance, but in some cases, it completely betrays you, huh?
Not afraid of struggle.
Even think of it.
No.
Buttercup.
Sometimes their climbing abilities and 9 lives are literally the only things these furballs can think of.
No, you're not getting dinner.
Roba media y no sé si fuiste el que dañó la cama. Y tú también.
What?
Put it up again.
I'm confused.
Ticket. Jerry ticket.
No.
These dudes can really cause chaos anywhere within their reach.
No way, Jose.
Think about it.
Roll over. You got it. No. Come on, lay down.
Completely gone, and instead they learned this ever since they started living with humans.
Nope.
Quả đây nó là thương ơn.
The fuck you? Boy, my cover, boy.
break some time to play.
When your girlfriend is mad, don't expect to sleep well, bro.
Why are you so angry? You're a tiger.
Don't wonder.
Do ba do ba do ba do.
تركية خذي تعاولتك.
The world's best hide-and-seek player versus
They'll remind you with some mischief. You're still the coolest person you know.
Exclusive place, and this is the rest time.
Oh, you again? Let me come along, but I'm a bit too lazy. Taking care of